Hello, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. Today, what I wanted to do is review our concepts of greater than, less than, and equal to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some numbers in our our rows here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to compare those numbers. So the first number I'm going to write is going to be the number 27. The next number I write is 13. Now, whoever you are working with, I want you to have a discussion with them. I want you to determine if the number 27 or the number 13 is greater. Remember, greater means the bigger number, okay? So, before we go ahead and we put our greater than, less than, or equal to sign on between these two numbers, we need to figure out which one is bigger. So here, I always like to look at the tens place. In the tens place in 27, we have 2. And in the tens place in 13, we have 1. Now, I know that 2 is more than 1. So that tells me that 27 is greater than 13. Now, remember when we draw our signs for greater than, less than, or equal to, the alligator mouth is always going to eat the bigger number, okay? So if 27 is our bigger number, we want the alligator mouth to open up to the 27, just like that, okay? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw that one more time, and I'm going to show you the alligator mouth is opening up. I'm going to even draw some teeth in there, okay? Alligator mouth is opening up towards the 27 because that's the greater number, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come up with 2 more numbers. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to switch my color back to black, and we're going to do the number 24 and the number 29. Now again, I want you to talk to whoever you're working with, if it's mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, auntie, uncle, brother, sister, and I want you to tell them which number you think is greater. Now again, I always like to look at the tens place first to compare my 2 numbers, but take a look here. I have a 2 in the tens place in 24, and I have a 2 in the tens place in 29. So that tells me I have to go to the ones place to determine which number is greater. So in the ones place in 24, I have a 4. And the ones place in 29, I have a 9. Now, I know inside my brain that 9 is greater than 4. If I have up 9 fingers, that's a lot more fingers than 4. So that tells me that 29 is greater than 24. Remember, our alligator mouth wants to eat the bigger number. So I'm going to switch our sign around, and this time it's going to face the 29. See, it's facing the greater number because our alligator always wants to eat the bigger number. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write down 2 more numbers, okay? I'm going to write down the number 17 and the number 17. Turn to whoever you're working with. I want you to talk with them about if 17 is greater than 17, 17 is less than 17, or 17 is equal to 17. If you said they're equal, you're correct. If you take a look at both of these numbers, they both have a 1 in the tens place and a 7 in the ones place. So that tells us that they are the same number, that they are equal. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go through the worksheet that I attached to with this video, and I want you to work through your greater than, less than, and equal to signs. I'll see you again soon.